Hey everyone, welcome back to Red Real. If you are into cybersecurity and ethical hacking, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hacking tutorials and cybersecurity insights. Today we are breaking down a big question. What's the real difference between ethical hacking and cybersecurity? Are they same? Which one should you focus on? Stick around and let's dive deep. So, first, let's define both terms. So, first, we are going to define cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a broad field of protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. It includes everything from firewalls and encryption to risk management and compliance. Now, if we talk about ethical hacking is a specific part of cybersecurity that focuses on testing and finding vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Ethical hackers, also called penetration testers, simulate attacks to help organizations strengthen their defenses. So now we are going to know the key difference. So how do they differ? Here are three key differences you need to know. So number one is scope. Cybersecurity covers a wide range of roles like network security, cloud security, and incident response, while ethical hacking is mainly about offensive security, simulating attacks and breaking into systems legally. So, number second is approach. Cybersecurity professionals focus on defense, protecting assets, monitoring threats, and responding to attacks. Ethical hackers take an attacker's mindset to uncover weakness before real attackers do. So, number three is skill set. Cybersecurity pros need knowledge of firewalls, security policies, and compliance, while ethical hackers require skills in penetration testing tools, scripting, and vulnerability analysis. Now, we are going to know the career paths in these fields. Thinking of a career in one of these fields, here is what you need to know. If you like defensive security, monitoring threats, and securing networks, cybersecurity is your path. Careers include cyber analyst, SOC analyst, and security engineer. If you enjoy breaking into systems legally, of course, and testing security, ethical hacking is for you. Common roles include penetration tester, red team operator, and bug bounty hunter. So now the conclusion is, to sum it up, cybersecurity is umbrella that covers many areas of security, while ethical hacking is one specialized field within cybersecurity. So ethical hacking is also a part of cybersecurity. Which one interests you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. See you in the next one. Thank you.